Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Sony headphones with your Android phone. So first of all, you have to find this power button, click and hold it, and wait until this indicator starts blinking quickly blue. Just like that. You will also hear the voice notification. Next, you have to just go to the Bluetooth settings on your device. Click to pair new device, and you have to select your Sony WH-CH520. That's the Sony headphones that we are pairing right now. You have to accept the pairing. As you can see, we are successfully connected right now. And next, you have to just go to the Play Store, and you have to get the Sony Headphones Connect application. And when you connect this application, you will be able to use your Sony headphones with other features like sound equalizer, DSEE function, and other stuff. For example, the 360 reality audio setup. And as you can see, the setup is complete after a few taps in the application. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.